Teaching learning materials, TLM. Selection process. 1. Consider the learning objectives. TLM should align with the learning objectives and curriculum goals of the lesson or unit. 2. Assess learner needs. Take into account the diverse needs, interests, and learning styles of students when selecting TLM. 3. Suitability. Ensure that the TLM is age-appropriate, culturally relevant, and accessible to all learners. 4. Quality and relevance. Choose TLM that are accurate, up-to-date, and relevant to the subject matter being taught. 5. Cost-effectiveness. Consider the cost and availability of TLM, opting for materials that provide the best value for instructional purposes. Types of TLM. 1. Visual aids. Charts, diagrams, models, maps, and graphs help illustrate concepts and enhance understanding. 2. Audiovisual materials. Videos, audio recordings, and multimedia presentations engage learners through auditory and visual channels. 3. Manipulatives. Hands-on materials such as blocks, puzzles, and scientific equipment allow for interactive learning and exploration. 4. Printed materials. Textbooks, workbooks, worksheets, and reference materials provide written information and activities for reinforcement. Use in teaching. 1. Introduction and explanation. Use TLM to introduce new concepts, illustrate complex ideas, and provide visual reinforcement during explanations. 2. Reinforcement and practice. TLM can be used for guided practice, independent practice, and review activities to reinforce learning and assess understanding. 3. Differentiation. Adapt TLM to meet the diverse needs of learners, providing additional support or challenge as needed. 4. Active engagement. Encourage active participation and engagement by incorporating interactive TLM that allows students to manipulate, explore, and interact with the materials. 5. Assessment. Use TLM to assess student learning through observation, discussion, and hands-on activities. Information and Communication Technology, ICT. Selection process. 1. Pedagogical alignment. Select ICT tools and resources that support the instructional goals and teaching strategies employed in the lesson. 2. Accessibility. Ensure that ICT resources are accessible to all learners, taking into account factors such as technological proficiency and availability of resources. 3. Reliability and compatibility. Choose reliable ICT tools and software that are compatible with the hardware and operating systems available in the learning environment. 4. Quality and relevance. Evaluate the quality, accuracy, and relevance of digital resources, opting for reputable sources and educational platforms. 5. Ethical considerations. Consider ethical and privacy concerns when selecting ICT resources, particularly when using online platforms and social media. Types of ICT tools and resources. 1. Interactive whiteboards. Enable real-time interaction and annotation during lessons, allowing for dynamic presentations and collaborative activities. 2. Educational software and apps. Offer interactive simulations, games, tutorials, and multimedia resources to support learning across various subjects and grade levels. 3. Online resources. Access digital libraries, databases, ebooks, websites, and educational videos to supplement classroom instruction and provide additional learning opportunities. 4. Communication tools. Facilitate communication and collaboration among students, teachers, and parents through email, discussion forums, messaging apps, and video conferencing platforms. Use in teaching. 1. Instructional delivery. Use ICT tools to deliver multimedia presentations, interactive lessons, and digital tutorials that enhance engagement and facilitate understanding. 2. Differentiation and personalized learning. Tailor instruction to meet individual learner needs by providing adaptive learning platforms, digital assessments, and personalized learning pathways. 3. Collaboration and communication. Foster collaboration and communication among students by integrating ICT tools for group projects, online discussions, and virtual teamwork. 4. Feedback and assessment. Use digital tools for formative assessment, providing immediate feedback to students and tracking their progress over time. 5. Blended learning. Combine traditional face-to-face instruction with online learning activities and resources to create a blended learning environment that maximizes instructional flexibility and student engagement. By thoughtfully selecting and effectively integrating teaching learning materials, TLM, and information and communication technology, ICT, into teaching practices. Educators can enhance instruction, promote active learning, and meet the diverse needs of learners in today's digital age.